Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hakakat nyo tarik mentau benai rempang, kikat tu kat ni kinoyalam jang Seng Kongres, hapo 18 West Shillong Constituency. Ringkat kinong kersan kilami no anak Seng Kongres, bat Leit Pynïasoh pan Seng United Democratic Party. Ban ai ka jingkersan ke bapura yo kertong jangan ni Seng uba polling do hakani ke election MLA. Kaban salong haka arpnyo tarik mentau benai rempang. Kini kinoyalam ki kentop yo ba Sanjay Dekhar ubabat como Vice President jong Sunny Hill Congress Unit. Nang ta uba reply ling do maunai ubadai khmi ye ka Hindu Mission Area. Hapo themo ba bat uba badan bor swear na po jayaw lang Seng Congress Unit bat yakini baro hakani kesngi la pediang buram da ka UDP Constituency Committee 18 West Shillong. Haka jayalang ka baralong haka yengsa jong ba polling do. Kat kum ka jingi thu jong kini kinoilam ka Seng Congress ya kadaw ko bakilami no nakani ka Seng kadai baki UI badai tang uba polling do ubala shisha ban ai ka jing sakri ka babha na ka banta ka roi ka par ka bha kamian jong baro ki pait ba jong kani ka constituency hi baro ka wei.
We are very confident that because of the massive anti-incumbency wave, the Congress strength will be reduced significantly, and again because of the fear of the Saffron Brigade, the BJP will not be able to perform as it has claimed that it will be able to perform. And in that situation, who will be the biggest beneficiary if not the original alliance? In the process, it has very cleverly tried to manipulate public opinion by shifting attention, deflecting attention from its own failure and bringing in the fear psychosis of Hindutva. But the reality is that even Dr. Mukul Sama himself, as recently as yesterday, had said that the BJP will not cross 2 seats. Now, which is more dangerous? The return of a party that has not performed, even in spite of having 40 MLAs in the past 5 years, or do we concentrate our attention to a party which the leader of the Congress itself says it will not cross 2 to 3 seats? So you can surmise that it is an attempt to deflect attention. And as far as we are concerned, see, we have formed the alliance with the HSPDP and the GNC specifically because we would like a regional party to take over the reins of power after the results of March 3rd. If we were not confident, if we had wanted to widen our circle of friends, we would have struck deals with the NPP, we would have struck deals with the NCP, the BJP, so on and so forth. But we have done our due diligence, studied the situation and found that it would be ideal for UDP, HSPP and the GNC to combine forces, which is why we have come up with the alliance. So the question of a Trojan horse does not arise at all. In fact, it is the Congress which people now want to eject from power, realizing that it cannot come back to power from the main door, is trying to come back to power from the back door using the fear of Hindutva. But the people of Meghalaya have enough wisdom and the ability to differentiate between right and wrong, and I'm sure nobody would like to see the return of the Congress, which has failed us in spite of having such a robust number in the assembly.
Apo ka industries ke jong lagno mo ba arpo hajar mot ekinong tre na daras ta lagno mo ba kasan hajar mot kinong tre ki jong di khasda ibar khasda
yang sudah hacing tri jong no
Apo RGI Rapsan Group of Industries. Kata tolong ke ulah pensai dah mau buat mengingi dang don kongres. Dia mau tang sana ajar mau kibri kijongi. Dia akak konstitusi ke bangingi dan ngi kat ni dan kibri kibam dan kam don jam. Dia menala dau dia beri apa ban harap.
Bagi saya kira beri apa ban
beri dia umtap lingi. Kalau kan gue kes semua apa hakim ni senang pergi berada beru dan gue membantu ni oi bangdan por jadi jana po ka kongres mah lakulari gua malah dengan job lene lah dengaran bro wong ipi wanung kuslai Ndrei man ke po mo yelek silek man iba kini kibri kiba duna hakayo kakot kini katai yelek ban kerpa i kai Reman kesini, nak koi kesini, koi kesini, koi kesini, koi kesini, koi tio, unjuk koi sini sini.
Ni bifet ikan bulong kumtang long yelang ban pet ike jongi ban pet ike jongi itu ilong bau umpat biang na dong sedong kai. Kadang isa wan shiba kamar ni itang iba ibala isu jong kajai pendreu ne ike itang iba ibala ban takel ini ke berokat.
Mani lagi yang ba artisan senam mentai ba ya dan kamu sekri ba di naru kipor iki asyungi ngila dan kat ba hiru ringi mino akini kisan sports senam ba ada ini sutu ba de namta sutu tiba mulong ikidet pendriu di sekarang iwan ban hai biang si itu ba nitip ba sutu hiru menta ba di tang iba hiru bala ban benyeng Kamdam ini kena samla, ai kerip jadi bendera.